up, family? In the place, in your face. It's your boy, That Boy Can Cook, back at you with another delicious recipe. How about Bbq Salmon Bites? Yeah, check that out. Bbq Salmon Bites, baby. Little healthy, not so healthy option, but also delicious. Yeah, let's get into it. We're starting off, let's get our barbecue sauce in our pot. I'm using original. I like to spice mine up. I like to taste a certain way, but if you're not, skip this step. Let's get that excess barbecue sauce out of there. Shake it up with some water. Let's get it back in there. Get it all emptied out. All right, now we're gonna add our brown sugar. These are all the seasonings I like to put in it. Lemon pepper. And next we got some onion powder. And then here comes that lawry seasoning salt. And final, we're gonna throw some black pepper in there. We're just gonna mix it up. Make sure everything is spread evenly. Make sure the brown sugar is completely broken down. No lumps, no clumps. That way everything is blended well and it should be all smooth, just like you see right here. Yeah, all right. Now you're gonna take your salmon. Mine is pre-cut. I didn't pay attention. It got the skin on. I hate the skin on my salmon. So I'm gonna take it off. I'm gonna show you guys a little trick. I'm gonna take some boiling hot water and make sure it's on something that's elevated, because once you pour the water, it's gonna start cooking your salmon. It's not gonna cook it too much, but you don't want it sitting in that hot water and continue to cook. So get it on something that's elevated. Just pour you some boiling water on it. Let it set for about a minute or two. Then we can start peeling. Just be gentle with it. You don't want to rip your fish off. You want to separate the skin from the meat. So just be kind of gentle with it. Just pull it on off of that. As such. See, it's much easier. Like sometimes when I use a knife, I cut most of my fish, and I don't like that. So that's a little trick I learned. I thought I'd share it with you guys. So get some boiling water, pour it over it, let it set for about a minute or two, and your skin will come right off. Just be gentle with it, like I say. Don't get that out of there. There we go. All right, just like that. So now we're just let's cut them into chunks, baby. Cut them into cubes. However you cut, is however you cut. Let's just get them cubed up. But like such. There we go. There we go. Yeah. Them the size you pretty much want them. Bite sizes, basically. Just get them all cut down. And we're going to add some Creole seasoning. Or you can use Slap Your Mama if you want. Just sprinkle some of that on there. But I did forget, family. Before you put your seasoning on there, put some olive oil. So hit it with some olive oil. Hit your salmon with some olive oil. And now, put your seasoning on there. I did it a little bit backwards, but you get it. So let's gently massage it. Massage the seasonings, massage the oil into our salmon. And like I say, just be gentle with it so you don't tear or rip your salmon up. Got a little tongue tied down. That's all right. But you get it. You see it. There it is right there. All right, let's go ahead and get us some oil in our pan, a skillet. We're going to let it heat for 30-45 seconds. And we're going to drop our salmon in there and get a good sear. So we're going to make sure we get a good sear on one side before we flip it. So like I say, let's just get them all in our skillet. As you can see, they working, baby. They working. So after about a minute, you want to make sure your salmon is not sticking. So it's like you see me doing right here. Just continue to make sure they're not sticking. Make sure you have enough oil in your pan, which I do. My oven leans a little bit. oil slides to one side. Sometimes you have to slide some oil back over there. You get it, you see it, there it is. So after about 2 or 3 minutes, we're gonna go ahead and let's get them flipped. As you can see here, making sure they all have a good little sear on them. You want a good sear on them. It's gonna hold in that juices and flavors, baby. All right, let's get them all flipped. And after about another minute, we're gonna turn them on their sides. For the thicker cuts, the more cube, the more square cuts, turn them on the sides. Cook it on all 4 sides. Make sure that they're cooked 90% done, because we're still gonna throw them in the oven. So these are finished right here. So we're gonna go ahead and this is our first batch. Get our first batch, there it is. Get our first batch out the pan. Let's start on our second batch. So we're gonna cook it the exact same way that I just explained to you. So now the second batch is done. Yeah, look at that. Delicious, baby. All right. Yeah, salmon bites. Now let's put some sauce to them. All right, I sped it up a little bit, speed the process along, but you get the idea. So you're just gonna dip your salmon bites into your barbecue sauce and line them on a sheet tray. You can use parchment paper underneath if you choose to. Just line them up and make sure you have your oven before you do this step. Make sure you have your oven preheated to 350 degrees. We're gonna put them in the oven for 10 to 12 minutes. Let that barbecue sauce get good and sticky on them salmon bites, baby. And after 10 to 12 minutes, there it is right there. Barbecue salmon bites, baby. Yeah. All right, family, that is it. That is all. We got these delicious salmon bites. Going hard, y'all. Yeah. Check that out. Check that out. Yeah, bites. Let's taste it. Yes, Lord. Salmon bites the truth. All right, family. Thank you guys for watching. I thank you guys for staying tuned to the end. I ask you to continue to watch the videos, continue to support the channel by hitting the like button, throwing a comment in there, sharing it with your people, and hitting that notification bell so you know what we doing, when we doing it. Because we always got delicious recipes over here, baby. Always. That boy can cook. Out the place, out your face. Till the next time, I'm gone.